My name is Neil Wright and I live in Surfside Beach, South Carolina. Well, I found the seminar to be very enlightening. It was a lot of information concerning regenerative medicine and stem cell research. And, it opened my eyes to possible therapies that I was not aware of. So I found it to be very beneficial use of my time. I thought he was very knowledgeable. My wife has issues with her knee where she has bone on bone without any cartilage at this point. And we've been dealing with it for some time. She has had arthroscopic surgery, which did not help. And she is facing knee replacement surgery at this point. So we wanted to look at this as an alternative to an invasive replacement of the knee. I see that in the future that there are going to be many uses of stem cell technology. I think we're going to find that it's the wave of the future in terms of treatment of spine injuries, in terms of treatment of heart. So I think there are a lot of uses that we're going to have for stem cell therapy.